To balance things out between wilderness and a touch of luxury, we decided to finish the camping trip with a bonus night at a hotel and experience the Mont-Tremblant Village. In summer, this place transforms into a vibrant, family friendly resort filled with endless activities like a panoramic gondola, an Alpine Luge, the bungee trampoline, and so much more. Join us for part two of our Mont Tremblant family camping adventure. Cheers!
Eh oui. Ah, c'est mon petit.
C'est bon?
Ah, c'est pas eux. Non, non, c'est les teenagers. Là.
c'est des... Ouais, ça,
Someone had a good nap.
After 3 nights of camping, it felt great to trade sleeping bags for something much more comfortable. Also, this trip was extra special because we were celebrating 8 years of marriage, so I wanted to spoil Faraja a little bit. I booked a night at Château Beauvallon, located just 15 minutes away from the world-renowned Mont-Tremblant Resort. At the time, it was one of the most affordable options we found. And to our surprise, it turned out to be perfect for families. All the rooms here are suites, which makes a huge difference when traveling as a family. The hotel also offered plenty of amenities, like a pool, a hot tub, mini putt course, and a gym. And if you love golf, you'll be happy to know it's right across a beautiful golf course. We chose the one-bedroom suite. It came with a king-size bed, a private bathroom, plus a living area with a sofa bed and a Murphy bed, and even a second bathroom. It can easily fit up to 6 people, which makes it ideal for families or small groups. The main reason we picked this suite was the kitchen setup: a stove, a dishwasher, and a mini fridge. Since we came straight from camping, we still had a lot of food to cook, so having a kitchen was a huge bonus. It allowed us to cook, clean, and refrigerate easily.
We have a little kitchen. Cooking stove. Microwave. Accessible cooking stuff. A little dining. Ooh, look at the bed. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Well, I'm not gonna leave this place. Wow, it's nice. And it smells good. With 2 French doors. Okay. Get straight into the bedroom. Little TV. Wow. There's another bathroom?
Yes.
What?
There's 2. So 2 persons and 2 for
You're gonna make a nice balcony.
Let's see outside.
Wow. What a nice yard.
Yeah,
Let's get out.
let's get out, man.
What does it mean to see a bird? Oh, let's open this.
It's like a resort, really. This is where we're staying. So nice. Sorry, I'm not going home.
I set up the chairs before, not far.
We're three, but it's great to have that. So we can have breakfast. Wow. I'm very happy. It looks good.
The date is
Looks really good. And I don't think I'm gonna nap now because time is so short. I just had a little snooze in the car. I'm gonna deal with that. So what do we do? Oh no, we eat. That's what we do. We have to eat. So we're gonna figure that out. Ciao. All right, so we are out and about to go to dinner. So here's my anniversary outfit. Look at the handsome boy. Oh. Nice, nice. And missing hubby.
Yes.
Okay, so look at the color coordination. We did not plan any of this. Look at that. Yeah.
Looking good.
All right. Okay, we're late, so we have to go.
Let's go get dinner.
The city is so lovely. I love how everything looks. It's really nice. Il y a un festival. Il y a un spectacle ce soir.
To celebrate our 8th wedding anniversary, we went out for a special dinner at a well-rated restaurant in downtown Tremblant called Darquise. It has a warm, inviting atmosphere and a cozy covered terrace that can be enjoyed all year round. Cheers! For starters, we shared some Caribbean-style cod fritters. They were good, but as Haitians, we have to admit, they didn't quite compare to what we cooked back home. Zane got his favorite, a pizza. I ordered some braised beef short ribs, while Faraja went for a steak.
Bon appétit!
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Woo!
It's very good. After dinner, we took a walk down Saint-Jovite Street, grabbed some slushies and ice cream, and just enjoyed the summer evening before heading back to the hotel and relax.
I need to put this somewhere. Whoa!
What? Alright, so this morning we took it easy. We cooked breakfast in the room. We did some pancakes, sausages. We had some mango, and yeah, we just had a nice family breakfast in the hotel room. Like, we have an outdoor table and we didn't use it. And we're getting ready to just go stroll around in the city and yeah, in just our last few hours of our vacations. But yeah, slow morning this morning. I didn't want to say anything. All right, checking out late. So this is the yard.
After packing the car for one last time, we still had a bit of time to squeeze in a little mini pot game before heading to the village. You have to go slowly, let me show you. Yeah, exactly. So
All right, mini pot. We decided to try the mini pot at the hotel. It was right there, so why not? So I'm waiting my turn. I'm gonna win.
no, I said not too strong.
At least he hit the ball. That's good.
This was the fourth and final day of the trip. We had planned to visit the Tremblant Village. For us, Tremblant holds a lot of memories. Our first visit was way back in 2013 when Faraja and I came here to celebrate our anniversary. At the time, we were not married, but we just came here to enjoy the views and explore the casino. 12 years later, so much has changed. The village has grown into a full-on family resort. There's something for everyone: adrenaline seekers, foodies, and families just looking for a relaxing getaway. But one of our most unforgettable Tremblant experience actually happened just a few months ago, in February 2025. We came for an event called Black Winter Fest, an all-inclusive celebration of Black history organized by Routz to Rootz. Black Winter Fest was created to bring Black communities into winter sports and celebrate space where we haven't always been represented. Organizers thought about everything: round-trip transportation from Montreal, ski and snowboarding rentals, lessons for absolute beginners, warm lunch at the restaurant, live DJs, dancing, sponsors giveaways, and of course, an unforgettable après-ski at Petit Caribou. The best part? Everyone was welcome. Whether you're skiing for the first time, riding double diamonds, or just here for the vibe and celebration, there was a space for you. The atmosphere was electric. Picture people dancing outdoors, the sound of Afrobeats echoing through the mountains, people laughing, learning, and connecting. It was pure joy. Seeing so many Black people taking over the slopes made me proud. It's a feeling I'll never forget. For us, Black Winterfest is more than just an event. It's a movement. It showed that we belong everywhere, even out here in the snow. It was a massive success. I can't wait for next year's edition. If you want to know more about Routz to Rootz and their upcoming events, check out the link in the description below.
That's it. Okay, it's time to get out. You had so much fun? You see? Nice. Oof. And walking around. Centre d'aventure. Really? Yeah. La tyrolienne ici?
Yeah.
What? Quel bagay, quel bagay. C'est quoi?
Qu'est-ce qu'on a liste des activités là?
Ouais, on peut rire encore. Hey, comme bouquet. So we're still laughing at ourselves right now because there's so many things that we wanted to do in terms of activities.
But we did like a quarter of what we planned to do because we didn't have enough time and energy to do it all.
Yeah, like we're here now and we're like, nah, we're just watching people doing it. Hey, regarde, il y a une scène là-bas.
Yeah. C'est là, c'est le. Hey, Zane. That way.
And you can see people are going up to play. Do you think it's to play golf?
Where?
The people are going up?
Going up?
Yeah.
No, I think it's just a chairlift to go up.
Ah, okay.
Either for the zip line
Okay.
or
Right. Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
There's something like a bike thing. What is this? Oh, it's a car thing.
He's trying to go up there. That's what he's trying to do.
Alpine Luge.
Yeah, because they have something on their feet. Look. They're carrying something up there.
Zane was so excited watching people race down the hill. We had no choice but to try the Alpine Luge ourselves. The excitement was real, but so was the line. With about a 45-minute wait ahead, we decided to grab lunch at Fat Mardi, cozy sports bar with a terrace overlooking the village. Right as we sat down, a strange cloud rolled in and it started to drizzle. After a few days eating outdoors, we didn't mind heading inside. We stayed dry and enjoyed our meal. And by the time we finished, the rain had cleared out and the sun was shining again, just in time for our ride. The luge was an absolute blast. The perfect dose of adrenaline for a 4-year-old boy. After the ride, we wandered to the village and stopped by the Adventure Center, a shop where you can book activities beyond the resort. They offer many activities like ATV rides, whitewater rafting, zip line, helicopter tours, and much more. We couldn't leave without grabbing a true Canadian classic, the BeaverTail. This fried pastry is a must in Canada. You'll find them at most popular tourist spots like Montreal Old Port or La Ronde. Every time I bite into one, it brings me straight back to my teenage years visiting La Ronde for the first time with my siblings. Pure nostalgia.
It's good.
Our bonus stay was the perfect way to wrap up the Mont-Tremblant adventure. The ideal blend of wilderness, family bonding, and a touch of luxury. After days surrounded by the mountains, lakes, campfires, and wildlife, it felt amazing to enjoy a cozy bed, hot tub, and fancy restaurants. But even with the comfort of the hotel, what stood out the most was the moments, the laughs, the teamwork, and the memories we created together. This trip reminded us why we started this channel in the first place. Life moves fast. Between work, parenting, and everyday responsibilities, it's easy to get caught up in the routine. But every time we step into nature, time slows down. We breathe deeper. We notice the small things, the sound of the wind through the trees, our son laughter echoing down the trail, the smell of campfire on our clothes. Those are the moments that fills us up. Traveling as a family isn't always easy. There are sleepless nights, messy meals, long drives, and unexpected weather. But there's also magic in the chaos. Every challenge becomes a story, every mistake a memory, and every trip a new chapter in our little adventure book. We hope this series inspired you to plan your own getaway, to pack up your car, grab your kids, and explore somewhere new. Whether it's a national park, a local trail, or even the park around the corner, there's always something to discover when you step outside. For us, the Saints in the Wild, this journey is about more than just travel. It's about connection with nature, with each other, and the part of ourselves that only comes alive when we are outdoors. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join us as we keep exploring, learning, and sharing what family adventure really looks like. The fun, the challenges, and everything in between. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next trip.